Now from this video onwards, we are going to learn how to handle exception in Java program. So before going to handling exception, let us check and let us see an example of exception. If it remains unhandled in your code, what happens then? So for example, let us define a class called some unhandled exception. Just to for the better understanding, you can give any class name of your choice, and then inside this class I have a function called divide two numbers, where it is taking a numerator and a denominator, both of type integer, as parameters. Now inside this function, I am just using this division operator to divide numerator and denominator. Now, what happens when you will call this function, let's say from another class, from the main function? If you call this function, let's say this divide by two number, and you pass the denominator as 0, then there will be an arithmetic exception in your program. And if you do not bypass it, if you do not handle it properly, what will happen? Your program is going to crash here with a default error message for dividing by 0. So if the exception is not handled properly, the program will crash whenever the exception occurs with the default error message. So if you want to continue running the program, or if you want your program to recover from this type of exception, you have to handle them properly. So how to handle that? That we are going to learn next.